Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the way to set reminder for events in Google Calendar. So for that case, you have to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go and log into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to this page. So over here, first of all, go ahead and select the title or select the event that you wish to add it on to your Google Calendar. So go to events from the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and add an event. What is the event? And click the date and time, all that. Make sure to go through these information and accordingly make changes and click the save button. Once the event has been added, now you can go ahead and tap the plus button, and after that you can go ahead and tap on set reminder. In my case, I don't happen to see that option, but if you see that, just press on it, and when you do that, it's going to ask you to set a reminder for what date and all that. Go ahead and manually enter in the following information, and that's basically how you can set a reminder for your event in Google Calendar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.